Welcome back to Idea 2 Tech, Dream, Design, and Robotize. Welcome to our tutorial on the Arduino Uno. Today, we'll explore in detail features of Arduino Uno microcontroller. The Arduino Uno is an open-source electronics platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. With this board we can program and control many electronic sensors and appliances. The heart of the Arduino Uno is the 8MB 328P microcontroller, a powerful chip that handles the board's operations. This microcontroller has 32 kilobytes of flash memory for storing your code, 2 kilobytes of SRAM for data storage, and 1 kilobyte of EEPROM for storing data that must be saved even when the power is off. It is a 28-pin microcontroller with each pin performing different functions. Next, let's look at the power pins. The Arduino Uno has several options for power. It can be powered via a USB connection or with an external power supply. Here are the key power pins. VIN, this pin is used to supply a voltage to the board if you are using an external power source. 5V, this pin provides a regulated 5V to the board components and can be used to power other components. 3.3V, this pin provides a 3.3V output power supply and we can assume it as the positive terminal of the battery. G and D, there are multiple ground pins that can be used to complete your circuits. We can assume it as the negative terminal of the battery. The Arduino Uno has 14 digital input-output pins, numbered 0 to 13. These pins can be used for both digital input and output operations. Some of these pins have specialized functions. PWM pins, pins 3, 5, 6, 9, 10, and 11 can produce pulse width modulation signals, useful for controlling devices like LEDs and motors with variable power levels. For example, these are used to control the brightness of LEDs and speed of motors. UART pins, pins 0, RX, and 1, TX, are used for serial communication. Through these two pins 0 and 1 we can share data and communicate with other devices. RX indicates receiver pin which receives data and TX indicates transmitter pin to transfer data. The Arduino Uno also has 6 analog input pins, labeled A0 to A5. These pins can read the voltage from analog sensors. For connectivity, the Arduino Uno has a USB port for programming and communication with a computer. It also has a power jack for connecting an external power supply, allowing you to power the board when it's not connected to a computer. The reset button on the Arduino Uno allows you to restart the code running on the board without disconnecting power. This is particularly useful during testing and debugging. The ICSP, in-circuit serial programming, header is used for programming the microcontroller directly. This can be useful for advanced users who need to upload code without using the USB interface. There are a few onboard LEDs that provide useful information. Power LED indicates when the board is powered. Pin 13 LED, connected to digital pin 13, it's handy for simple testing and debugging. RX and TX LEDs indicates serial communication activity, useful for debugging communication issues. The Arduino Uno is a powerful tool for bringing your electronic projects to life. Whether you're creating a simple blinking LED circuit or a complex robotic system, the Uno is a fantastic choice. We hope this overview helps you get started on your journey with Arduino. Happy coding! We will meet again in the next video.